Hello class, I hope everybody's having a great week. One of the things that I wanted to go over as we're starting our exploration of PowerPoint is how to export in PowerPoint. Before I get started, what I want to do is actually make more of my slide visible and less of my thumbnails. And what I can do in order to do that is that there is a little line that you can see running along here in between the thumbnails and the slide, and there's a double arrow. I can click on that and I can decrease or increase the size of my thumbnails. So I'm going to make them a little bit smaller, make more of my slide visible, and now you can see that I have my title slide exporting in PowerPoint. What are some of the benefits of exporting in PowerPoint? There are several. A few of the most important, in my opinion, are that you can create different file types, especially videos or images. You can protect the integrity of your work. For instance, if I were to send you a video of my presentation, you can't change anything that's within my video. However, if I were to send you the actual PowerPoint presentation, you can change some of the information there. You can also avoid compatibility issues. If somebody has a different version of PowerPoint than you do, and you send your presentation to them, your presentation may not play right. It may not be displayed right either. And then the other thing that you can do is, by creating either images or videos, is create shareable media. That's one of the ways that we can create presentations and then post them on YouTube in order to be able to share our content with, for instance, that's how I share them with our class here. Now let's go over how to export. It's a pretty simple process here. All you have to do is click on File, then click on Export, and then you can select your format. You'll see a little pop-up window here that shows you all the different options. If you have a type of program that allows you to convert things into a PDF, then those will automatically pop up here. If you don't have that, then you may not have the ability to create an Adobe PDF or create some other type of PDF document. Let me show you what this looks like when you actually go through the process. If I click on File, then click on Export, I can see here I can create a PDF, I can create a video, or I can change the file type. Let's look at changing the file type right now. When I click on that, it gives me different file types and it gives me different types of images. PNGs are usually higher resolution images, JPEGs are lower resolution images, and it tells you here that we have either print quality within a PNG or a web quality type for the JPEG. I'm going to go with creating a JPEG. I select that, click on Save As, and it's going to ask me to save my image here, and I can basically select wherever I want it. And then when I say OK, it's going to ask me if I want to convert all of my slides or just this one. In this case, I don't really want all of my slides, and I don't really want this one. So I'm going to press Cancel. I'm going to go back to my title screen and go through the process again. File, Export. I want to change file type, convert it to a JPEG. Save As, and I'm going to say that I want to save just this one. Now the benefit of saving just that one file is that if I were to go on YouTube and it is just pulling some sort of random screens from a video, and I really want it to be my title slide, that is my thumbnail for my video, then I can convert my title slide to a JPEG and then use that one and upload that specifically. If I were to go to give me 1 second here. If I were to go to my images here, I can see that now I have a JPEG image of that. So that's essentially how that works. And the other thing that we can do is we can create a video, like I said. It's as simple as going to create a video, If you have all of your animations and you have all of your transitions, everything will stick. If not, it is going to allow you to select how much time is spent on each slide. Once you have your settings here, you simply click on Create Video. It's going to ask you to save that video. And then you can see down here, creating video, exporting in PowerPoint. And it's going to save as an MP4 file. And once this gray bar has gone all the way to the end, that's when you know that your video is complete. Sometimes it takes several minutes in order for it to do that. I hope that you were able to learn something new here and learn something interesting that will be worthwhile for you in the future. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks.